can see the time. It's 20 to 6. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up all these burners here, and then I'm going to start filming and tell you what the time is. Now I've filled up each one with half a shot glass full of this alcohol. I'm going to see how it goes. So I'm going to put that in there. And now I'm going to light them, put them in their respective cookers. I'm going to light them. Now they're both burning away nicely, and I must admit it's a much better burn than methylated spirits. It's not as erratic. I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put that on there. It's now just coming up to 16 minutes to 6, and these have gone on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm filming for a little while. I'm going to put the lid on that and the lid on this, only loosely, because that's all you need. And I'm going to switch off and come back when they're nearly boiling. There's the watch, and it's just about 5 minutes, and I think you'll agree that in there is a rolling boil, without a doubt. Right, now I haven't taken the lid off of the one on the other side yet, so I'll just pop that back there, and hopefully this one has a boil on it as well. Oh, still burning. Hasn't got a boil on it yet. Oh, that's strange. This one is boiling like a good one. Yeah, that is a little strange, that, because that's not even boiling yet. They were both put on exactly the same time, but that one is boiling away, and it only took about 5-6 minutes, well, 5 minutes really. So that's brilliant. I love that. That's cracking. I'm going to take that off the boil now. I'm going to try and drop this on there. There we go. Put that out. So that's done. That's that out. Now just have to wait for this one, and I don't know how long that's going to take, but it's still burning away, still licks of flame coming out of it. So quite a bit slower, same fuel. Let's get in there. A few little bubbles rising at the side. I think they'll be there in a minute, literally. So as you can see, it's going on, but it's taken about, so far, a minute, so it's taken about 6-7 minutes to boil, and I should imagine that was boiled in about 5. So, and this is taken about, it's coming up to about 6 minutes. Yeah, it's starting to bubble nicely now. Oh, yep. There you are. Just hover you over the top of that. And that is boiling. So, as you can see, yeah, there is a boil on that. Not as rapid as this one was, but a boil nonetheless. And I'm going to take it off and make myself a cup of coffee and see just how good it is. It's always good to wear gloves when doing this. It's still that away. Still they're strong. So I'll just leave it until, see if I do get a pretty violent boil out of it. It's taken quite a long time. It's nearly 10 minutes. I think I'm going to call that a boil, but it's taken nearly 11 minutes. Can't believe the difference between the two receptacles and how they've performed. Exactly the same amount of water that's in there was in there. That's a Trangia, and that is some German derivative that I have no idea where it come from. It was just in a shop and it was cheap, and I bought it. But when you look at it, wow, the difference. It's so quick, and that was quite slow. But having said that, I'm going to take that off because I'll call that a boil. I'll put that on there like that, and I'll make myself my obligatory cup of coffee. Oh. Okay. seems to be a pretty good cup of coffee. And but it did take some time, a lot longer than that one. That one had it hit a rolling boil at just maybe over 5 minutes, but I'm not sure. They're definitely a lot quicker, a lot quicker. This one, a lid on that to keep it warm. This one, well, you saw it was a good 5 minutes longer. It's quite late now. It's about 8:15. But I've been messing about with this burner. I've cleaned it all out and cleaned the jets, tapped it out just to see if it was badly clogged. I don't know how it's got like that. I cleaned it up, but obviously there must have been some dust in it or something. So I'll give it a good tap out on some paper to make sure that all the debris is out. And it's behaving quite well now, a lot better than it did. And you see all the jets are alight. Get down lower, you can see all the jets are alight. There's a nice ring of blue flame now. So all that's left to do really after this is boil some water, but I'm not going to do it tonight because to be quite honest, it's been a lot of faffing to get this to be burning like this, but by the look of it I think it'll boil a mug of water a lot quicker than it did, because every other one was blocked, the jets, so it's now all clean and tapped out and working really well. So I think that was the problem solved. Anyway, I'm going to wait for that to burn out, put everything away, lock up, go and have some dinner. 0 pence. Thanks for watching. Not a very good conclusion to it, but find out tomorrow. I've just was going to put away the Trangia, and don't know whether that will pick that up, but go on. No, it's not going to do it. It's got warning: use alcohol only, never use gasoline or other petroleum based fuels. This may result in a serious injury. Doesn't on here say anything about methylated spirits. Now I know methylated spirits is a form of alcohol, because years ago people used to try and drink it, but it doesn't seem to perform as well as the alcohol does in this. So that might have something to do with it. But I still think that this one, methylated spirits, behaves a lot better in this one. Still a quandary, but I'm going to put it all away now. 0 pence. Thanks for watching. See you later.